Good morning, dear students. Let us study the remaining parts of the eye. Retina. It is the innermost layer of the eyeball. It can be compared as the screen of a cinema hall. It has two types of sensory cells in it. This is the place where image is formed. The two sensory cells are rod cells and cone cells. The rod cells are evenly distributed on the retina and secrete a pigment called rhodopsin. The rhodopsin is also called a visual purple. It is responsible for vision in dim light. This pigment cannot help us to recognize the color of the object. We get the vision in black and white, and it functions in the dim light. The cone cells are highly concentrated on a region of the retina, and this region is called a yellow spot or fovea centralis or macula lutea. The yellow spot lies on the visual axis on the retina. Visual axis or horizontal axis is a point on the retina which is aligned to the center of the cornea and the lens. It's a very small region and it is the place of the brightest vision and also of the color vision. As it is a tiny region and we have to focus the image on it, we need to move our eye from word to word while reading a book. That is the reason we have to move our eye from word to word while reading a book. More about rhodopsin and iodopsin. The rod cells are distributed evenly on the retina. It contains a pigment called a rhodopsin or visual purple. It is generated and activated in dim light but degenerated in bright light. Rhodopsin is responsible for vision in dim light and do not respond to color. So when we look any object in dim light, only rhodopsin pigment get activated and functions. Cone cells have a pigment called iodopsin and are responsible for vision in bright light, and it helps to recognize colors. It is highly concentrated on yellow spot. In this diagram you can see the yellow spot as well as the blind spot. Now let us know what is blind spot. It is a place which lies just below the yellow spot from where the optic nerves emerge out. It has no sensory cells like a cone or rod. Therefore, no vision is possible. Even the image is formed on it. That is why it is called a blind spot. So blind spot it is called so because it has no sensory cells. So even though image is formed there, we cannot visualize that image. Next, aqueous chamber. It is the front chamber of the eye which lies between the lens and the cornea. It has a watery fluid called aqueous humor. Functions of aqueous humor. It keeps the lens moist and protects it from physical shock. And it reflects the light. It is the largest cavity which lies between the lens and the retina. It is filled with the fluid called vitreous humor. It gives shape to the eyeball and also protects the eye, protects the retina as well as its nerve endings. This is vitreous humor. That's all for today. The rest we will study in the next class. Have a nice day. Thank you.